to coach my clients by saying extensions are a lifestyle. And truly, once you get used to the rhythm of having them, they actually become easier in your life than not having hair extensions.
Okay, so what we've got here are 3 different colors of blondes and a light brown. You then blend them together and bring them through the hackle quite rigorously to create a 3rd color. It's a combination of the 3.
My favorite parts about it is that they're woven in like that, because it actually like looks natural, like real hair. When a lot of people that get other extensions, you see this big like slab of tape. Like this looks like just hair.
Well, when you become an extension client, you become a priority client. Extensions, they are a lifestyle, and if they need to be fixed and adjusted, it needs to happen right away. It's a financial and a time investment for both people involved.